Oh, I can change the wallpaper again.
This way you can still switch wallpapers. It just exploded, right? What does it mean to benchmark? This is called surpassing. Sis, take a look. Volume 17.
I got it today right after it was released.
As a longtime Xiaomi fan, how could I not buy it when it's released this week?
Sure, you bought the 17 Pro Max.
Yes, 17 Pro Max. If you're buying, go for the top configuration.
Wow, me fans, you rock.
I've been looking at that bag for a long time. It's back screen.
Is it that magic back screen?
Yes, I'm going to take a look at how good this back screen really looks now.
Wow, this year's new generation Xiaomi 17 Pro Max's back screen, I also found it quite good looking.
Oh, but this one is a bit hard to hold. Like this. Wow, this back screen.
To be honest, it really looks a lot like the iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Right, I can see Xiaomi's determination this year, directly targeting the 17. Turn it on and take a look. But this year, I feel that holding it does feel a bit different from the previous generation. The previous generation had a more rounded frame, while this year it resembles more of a right-angled frame.
You see, I think it's really similar to Apple.
It looks more refined, but it does feel a bit more uncomfortable in the hand. You win some, you lose some, right?
What's that?
It does look quite refined.
They look like real brothers.
Directly benchmark.
But it's just a photo button. Didn't learn that.
It doesn't have a dedicated photo button, but it has its own feature on the back. It has a rear screen.
You see, now I'll activate it.
Okay, let's activate it. Activation complete. Hey, do you feel anything about this year's interface?
Very similar to Apple.
Right? This year, its interface has changed quite a bit overall. Not just the appearance, and then this.
Double click.
Swipe right to open the camera, but let's not open the camera for now. I'll peel this off.
Reveal that it can't connect to the internet.
Are you treating me like a Japanese person? Hey, why can't I get rid of it?
This looks much better.
Oh, I think this back panel upgrade is quite significant.
Indeed, this year, it's not just the back panel, but also the frame has actually been reduced. See, it's narrower.
Yes, it also has this narrow bezel design like the iPhone.
Including what I just mentioned about its edges, the previous generation was more rounded, while this generation feels a bit more angular. However, it does come with a phone case. Let's take a look. This year, it comes with a hard case.
But the phone case looks a bit familiar.
I think it's still a bit similar to your iPhone Pro Max.
This is similar to a half-half design. The bottom is also this kind of half-half.
Even the phone case is benchmarked.
This year is quite interesting.
It completely aligns with this year's Apple.
Nice.
Let's take a look at the settings.
Let's see what improvements the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max has this year.
In terms of the processor, it's still a 5th generation Snapdragon 8 custom version. However, this year's battery has seen a significant improvement, 7,500 mAh. Impressive. Look at how many Apple has.
I remember it was just sort of 5,000.
It just exploded, okay? What does it mean to benchmark? This is called surpassing.
The battery life is indeed quite impressive.
The screen size is 6.9 inches, which seems similar to your Apple device. But what I'm most interested in now is the innovative back screen. Let's set it up. I see it has a lot of playability online. Oh, I think this little bird is quite cute.
Yes, it looks like you.
An app like you. Hey, look.
Oh, I can change the wallpaper again.
Yes, you can also switch wallpapers. This feature is quite fun. And I saw online that there are phone cases that can play mini games, so I'll get one too.
Maybe the back panel protector.
How about it? Give one to a brother? In your dreams. Oh, Xing Xing, you don't have to be so obvious. I'll lend it to you to play later.
Can it still take photos?
Taking photos. Let me figure it out. It seems you need to swipe right. This is how you access the photo function.
I'll take a look.
Taking photos with 2 grown men, right?
What if my girlfriend wants to use it, right?
When the time comes to take a picture for her, will you wait until you give me the phone case, then I'll lend it to you for taking pictures. Even if you start using it, you definitely need to find a suitable tempered glass protector for it, because you know it's the original one. Look.
Oh, enough using for a while, it gets fingered too much.
Just activated not long ago, and it's already covered in fingerprints so badly, and there's also a whole design.
Yes, then open it.
Over time, it will definitely leave some residue. And this year, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max has also done some black border reduction.
The black border is very narrow.
Yes, that's why you need to find a suitable tempered glass protector, otherwise it will cause a black border obstruction. Later, I bought this one online with an instant fit design. Let's apply it and take a look.
Let's see the effect.
Oh, I didn't manage to fit this time into my schedule below. Oh, that's convenient. This design is quite good. Xiaomi is very smart this year. I think I need to get more familiar with it later.
Cleaning is done. Let's start applying the screen protector.
You also have this 3-corner fixation.
Yes, triangles have stability. We apply it by flipping from here, then fix the photo. Okay, good.
Let me check the effect.
Well, it's pretty simple applying the screen protector.
Yeah, this screen protector, you know. Oh, it seems like there's a little bit of bubbling.
Oh, there's a bubble, but luckily just a small one.
The flat bottle should be a bit easier to squeeze. After squeezing out the bubbles on this flat surface bottle are relatively easy to handle, and there are no issues with white edges or bubble residue.
I think the most exaggerated part is its coverage area, look.
Oh my. Do you have a screen protector?
If I hadn't applied it myself, I would also feel like it's not there. Look, it even extends to the frame here.
Well, this on the top.
There's also a dust filter on the top, right? And the curve is done very well. It won't cut your hand. Feel it.
Very smooth.
Let's turn on the screen to see this curvature. Let's test its smoothness. It's also very smooth and doesn't feel sharp to the touch.
The main thing is that this curve amazed me a bit. I've never seen such a smooth curve.
Yes, I bought it from UAD Digital for my car body. What is it labeled as? Hot bending film. And it has undergone a 3-dimensional hot bending process, so the fit is very high.
And it's very thin. I feel this foam.
Very thin and light, right?
Breathe.
Let's put it on. Will it press against the case? Because you can see its coverage area is quite large, right? Let's try putting it on.
I'm a bit worried this hard shell might scratch the screen.
Hey, you think it's an iPhone, right? It is.
Then who is it?
As long as you know, I didn't say anything. Let's take a look. It won't cause any lifting or feeling, right?
It's fine, really fine.
The fit is still perfect. I already felt it was perfect when I first got this new device, and I will continue to experience it more.